Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be understanding how to read reports. Guys, reports play a very important role in Jira as well as in Agile methodology. Because reports are something which keeps us up to date, on time, and make sure we are delivering the result as expected. So here, I'll click on report and see there are lots of reports here. LMS reports, burn down chart, burn up chart, sprint report, velocity chart, and so on. Let's read this burn down chart. I click on it. So this is the burn down chart we have. Now what is expected out of this chart is, see, this axis here is story points and this axis here is a timeline. We were supposed to complete 8 story points in 10 days. And the phenomenon behind this burn down chart is, we should be burning down the points till the time we reach to the last day of the sprint. Story point must be 0 at the end of the day. Right now, because we completed everything on the same day, that's why it's showing 0 on the same day. Although, see, this is how the guidelines are. This line here is called guidelines. These two gray pillars are called weekends, because of course when they were making it, they know that on weekends nobody will be working. So this is weekends, and this is how burn down chart depicts the value. Now why the name is burn down? Because we are burning down the story points till the time we came to the last day of the sprint. And if I talk about burn up chart, it is opposite. See, in burn up chart, we are burning up the story. So when we are starting, we are adding the story points, and the goal is to reach to the 8 story points here, which we did on the same day in this example, but this is how the guidelines are. We are adding the stories and we need to reach to the end of the day. And we should be completing the 8 points till the time we reach to the last day of the sprint. Then there is sprint report. It is almost same as the burn down chart. There are different charts and reports in Jira to make sure that we are aligned, on time and up to date. So this is how we will be generating reports. Till now we understood that Jira is just bug management tool. That means it is actually developed to log defect and make sure the developer understand the defect and they are working together on it, so that there is a transparency between the testing team and the development. But what if it becomes test management tool? That's what we will be learning in our next video. How we can make Jira test management tool. What is test management tool? What is difference between defect management, test management? All we will be discussing in our next video. So please stay focused, practice, and make sure that you're staying tuned with the videos. Thanks for now.